Bismillah, today hearts unite in mercy and love, in the glow of His light. Angels surround and the heavens proclaim a bond sealed forever in Allah's name. Two souls were written long before time. Two hearts were destined, their paths to align, not by desire, nor by chance or design, but by Allah's wisdom, eternal, divine. Ya Allah, bless this love, keep it pure, keep it strong. Let it flourish in truth, let it last lifelong. Hand in hand on the way, through the day, through the night. Guide their hearts, guide their home with your radiant light. Ooh. He is her garment, her shelter, her shield. She is His comfort, His mercy revealed. Together they stand, in prayer they bow, completing the half of their faith here and now. When the trials of life bring shadows and storm, let Quran be their anchor, their refuge, their norm. When the garden of joy blooms bright in their home, let gratitude rise to the merciful throne. Ya Allah, bless this love, keep it pure, keep it strong. Let it flourish in truth, let it last lifelong. Hearts that remember you night and day. Fill their home with laughter, with mercy and prayer, with patience and kindness, with love that is rare. Two voices united now sing as one song. Two spirits together, where both be.